contact, the two bodies, suppose that this is a body which is the positively charged, and we take another body which is neutral, it is not charged. We need a metallic wire and connect the charged body to the uncharged body. This is metallic wire. The charge from this body, that is the suppose body A and this is body B, it is the charge, positively charged, and body B is the uncharged. And this is the metallic wire connected the two bodies. This charge is flowing through the metallic wire on this body, it becomes also positively charged. So, an uncharged body can be charged by making the contact by metallic wire or making them physically contact in the physically contact. So the charge is flowing in this body, from this body to this body, and it becomes also positively charged. So this is the way by which an uncharged body can be charged by the contact. Now the third, by induction. A uncharged body, if we place in a close vicinity of a charged body, close vicinity, that means very, very close, not to touch. Suppose that this is a body, it is the positively charged, body A, and another body which is in the close vicinity of body A. This is body B. This body is uncharged. This body is in the close vicinity. Due to this positive charge, the electron on the surface of this body get attracted towards this positive charge. So, this on the electron on the surface from other side, due to attraction, come to this side which facing the positive charge. That means the electrons come to this surface. That means in the same body, यानी एक ही बॉडी में इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है इस सरफेस से अट्रैक्शन के कारण इस साइड से निकलकर इस एक तरफ चले आते हैं. तो वन साइड, दिस इज द साइड इन विच इट बिकम्स द इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच, यानी यह जो है क्षेत्र है जो बॉडी का एक भाग यह इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच बन जाता है, जिसके कारण इस हिस्से में निगेटिव चार्ज जो है डेवलप कर जाता है. दूसरे साइड में यह जो है इलेक्ट्रॉन विहीन एक तरह से हो जाता है. इट जस्ट बिकम्स लाइक ए डिफिशिएंट ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो दिस साइड डेवलप द पॉजिटिव चार्ज. In the same body, one side is the negative charge, other side is the positive charge. If we want to make this body negatively charged, this surface A, इस बॉडी को हम पूरी तरह से निगेटिवली चार्ज करना चाहते हैं. तो सरफेस, this surface जिधर पॉजिटिव चार्ज है is connected to the earth by a metallic wire. this charge flow through the metallic wire to the earth, and this negatively charge spread all over the surface and it becomes the negatively charge। इस तरह जो है इस बॉडी पर हम निगेटिव चार्ज जो है पैदा कर सकते हैं। सिमिलरली यदि हम किसी बॉडी पर पॉजिटिव चार्ज करना चाहते हैं तो निगेटिव सरफेस को हम जो है इस तरह इसको हम हटा दें, कनेक्ट विद द अर्थ, द नेगेटिव चार्ज फ्लो थ्रू द मेटेलिक वायर टू द अर्थ, यह निगेटिव चार्ज फ्लो कर जाता है अर्थ में और जो है पॉजिटिव चार्ज स्प्रेड ओवर द सरफेस और यह पूरी तरफ से पॉजिटिव चार्ज हो जाता है। तो इस तरह से वी कैन चार्ज ए बॉडी बाय पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव through the induction. This method is called induction.